10 tricks to save money fast as a student. Student life is quite a difficult life. Not only do they have to study day and night, make assignments and do projects, but they have to manage their financial situation also. Many people associate student life with financial difficulties, so learning how to save money as a student will be a useful skill. There's no denying that students have a bad reputation for poor financial management skills. University will most likely be their first time living away from home, and with that newfound independence comes the temptation to spend money exactly how they want, which can be dangerous. So, if you're a student and trying to figure out how to save money, you're at the right place. Hello, and welcome to Money on the Wall, your daily guide to making money by spending money. We will cover all the ways to save your time and money, so you might as well find some time and stick to the end of the video. So, without further ado, let's discuss ways to save money as a student. 1. Student accommodation versus living at home. The university time is one of the most challenging times of any student's life. He not only has to manage the expenses of the university, but also he has to manage living someplace else, as she can no longer stay at their home. They have to look for a student accommodation. Student accommodations are hard to find, and even though you find one, it's most unlikely that you'll like other students staying there. Now the rent of these accommodation centers is divided among the roommates or other university fellow, but you still have to figure out how to live with complete strangers. Once you figure that out, you have to manage your time at the center. Your study time, your bathing time, your sleeping time, everything. The luxury of staying home is far better than staying somewhere else, but not many people can enjoy that luxury. 2. Budget as soon as your loan comes in. Now once you enter university, you're out there all alone. No one to help you with your daily home expenses and tasks. You have to make yourself a budget for literally everything. What to eat, what to wear, cleaning items, bathing items, everything. You have to take a look at the amount of money you have. Then you have to divide it for each expense. That should include what you eat as well. Once you figure that out, you'll have to stick to it strictly. And when we say divide expense, we don't mean use the whole amount you have. Leave some amount for emergency as well. Making a budget is critical. It enables you to monitor and better understand whether your loan's amount is sufficient to cover its expenses. A budget can assist you in making more informed financial decisions. 3. Best student bank account. Next thing is to find a reliable bank that can take up your expenses. Many banks pretend to provide you with a student loan, which might seem more than necessary, and the interest rate is low. But before you choose a bank, make sure to take a survey. Whatever documents the bank gives you to sign, read it carefully. The loan, the interest rate, everything. If the interest rate is high, that might get your budget disturbed. Bank accounts for students offer numerous benefits. They have lower initial minimum deposit requirements, making them easier to open and maintain. Furthermore, most student accounts do not charge monthly maintenance fees, and many do not charge ATM fees or forgive overdrafts. 4. Make the most of pre-drinks. You'll be set for the night if you get this part right. Pre-drinks imply that you can get a little tipsy on cheap alcohol from the supermarket to spend less money on expensive drinks at the club. While a small glass of wine may cost you around £5 when out and about, you can buy an entire bottle for the same price at your local supermarket. At approximately 5 glasses per bottle, this equates to a £20 savings. Check out what deals are available, and always check how much you're getting for your money by looking at the price per centiliter. Don't be afraid to spend money on brand new beverages. 5. Leave your cards at home for a night out. Nights out are considered an essential part of a student's life. Whenever they have free time, they always plan a night out with friends where they eat and drink whatever they want. If you're not careful in a night out, you'll lose the emergency money you have in your account. So, to tackle this, consider taking some cash with you and leaving credit or debit cards home. That way, You have a limited amount to spend, which won't let you have more than you need. You will always be on the lookout and thinking about how much cash you have left. This way, you have a good time with your friends and might have some cash left with you. But remember, never ever drink more than you can handle. That can be very dangerous for you if you're careless with that. 6. Don't food shop every time you're hungry. The ability to purchase your food is wonderful, but it is too easy to overspend, especially when you shop hungry. Instead, plan your meals all the way down to the last ingredient. You'll know exactly what you need to buy and how much you'll need to spend this way, and you'll be far less likely to waste anything. In addition, planning your weekly meals ahead of time means you'll be less likely to order an expensive takeout. Shopping lists are essential for saving money at the supermarket. Making a weekly meal plan and writing down all the ingredients you'll need before going grocery shopping will help you save a lot of money. You'll be able to focus on the foods you really need at the store, and keeping track of your weekly spending will become much easier. 7. Make an effort to cook for yourself. On the subject of cooking, why not try to further reduce the cost of your food shopping by clubbing with your housemates? You will not only save money as a student, but you will also get to spend quality time with your housemates and possibly improve your cooking skills. You don't need to buy a cookbook. Websites like BBC Good Food have many simple, student-friendly recipes. You have more control over the ingredients when you prepare your meals. You can ensure that you and your family eat fresh, wholesome meals by cooking yourself. This can help you look and feel better, increase energy, stabilize your weight and mood, and improve your sleep and stress resilience. 8. Availing discounts. One of the most significant advantages of being a student is the abundance of discounts and student incentives available from various retailers. Learn which high street stores offer the best discounts, and you'll be able to save money as a student on everything from studying materials to clothes, food, and toiletries. Don't forget to get an NUS Extra card as well. The card is only £12 per year and provides access to over 200 discounts both online and in-store. Knowing your student discounts can save you a lot of money. Retailers know that students, particularly university students, will be loyal customers in the future. A degree often leads to a higher future income for the student. If you give a student a discount, they're more likely to try your business and become a loyal customer in the future. If they never return to your store, you've only lost a few dollars from your marketing budget. 9. Make an extra income. If your course allows you enough free time to work a part-time job, do so to supplement your income. Retail, waiting, and bartender positions are frequently available in university towns. If working part-time isn't an option for you, plenty of money-making opportunities are available online, such as student brand ambassador schemes. You can work as a private tutor. Working as a private tutor allows you to share your interests while also earning money. Tutoring is a completely flexible way to work because you can work online or in person, set your own hours, and choose who you tutor. With SuperProf, becoming a private tutor couldn't be easier. Making a teaching advertisement on the website is free, and you can set your teaching conditions, schedule, and fees. 10. Don't rush into buying textbooks. You may have a mild heart attack when you receive a reading list worth more than your parents' house at the start of the academic year. Believe it or not every book on your reading list is a must-read, and buying every single one can be a huge waste of money, especially if you buy them brand new. Wait a while to figure out which core texts you'll actually need, and even then, you can buy them used from older students. You can always borrow the others from the library if necessary. Always spend money on the core necessities. Figure out which books you absolutely need the most and see if you can get the used copies. If some friend of yours has them, buy or lend from them. Buying new books every time you need a book is a waste of time and money. You're only keeping for a year or so. So, our advice would be not to waste money buying new books. Other. These are some useful and easy ways for students to save money. We hope this video was informative and elaborative. So if you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn the notifications on so you won't miss any future updates. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.